Learn how to transform your photos from bland to brilliant in this action-packed Adobe Photoshop photo editing tutorial. First, open your photo in Photoshop. We'll start with the basics. Adjusting exposure. Navigate to the image menu, then Adjustments, and select Exposure. A panel will appear with sliders for exposure, offset, and gamma correction. Increase the exposure to brighten the image. Be careful not to overdo it. Aim for a natural look. Adjust the offset and gamma to fine-tune the highlights and shadows. Next, let's correct the color balance again. Go to Image, Adjustments, and choose Color Balance. Here, you can adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlights to bring out the color of your photo. Experiment with adding or subtracting cyan, magenta, yellow, red, green, and blue until the colors appear more realistic. Now for some sharpening. To make the image crisp, locate the Filter tab, then select Sharpen, and then Unsharp Mask. Adjust the amount, radius, and threshold settings to sharpen the image. Keep a close watch on the results, as excessive sharpening can make the image look artificial. Finally, consider using the crop tool for better composition. Select it from the toolbar and adjust the boundaries to create an ideal frame. You can change the aspect ratio in the toolbar. And that's it. You've learned to adjust exposure, color, sharpness, and crop for a better image. With practice, you'll master these techniques. Be sure to subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.